Hey everybody, welcome back and happy Wednesday. I hope everybody's doing amazing this Wednesday morning. I'm doing great and you guys know the deal and you know why I'm here. I'm back to present you with more remote work opportunities, and as usual I have some great ones for you today. So let's not waste any time at all. Let's get straight into it. Take a look at the screen. You will see some reviews from my happy clients who have taken advantage of my resume revamp or review services, and many of them have landed jobs. They've also, moved forward to the assessment process, interview stage. I've even had clients that have landed multiple jobs after I have revamped their resume. So if you've been struggling and you need some assistance with your resume and you want to learn exactly, what you need to do to put your best foot forward in this remote job market, I would love to assist you. You can check out my services. The link is in the description bar of every single video. And I do have buy now, pay later options for you because I know that everyone is on a budget. Okay, everybody, so let's get into today's leads. The first one is going to be coming from Elevation Connect. I do have several subscribers who have gotten hired with this company, and they are a business process outsourcing and virtual contact center, and they provide outsourced customer service, sales support, and back office solutions. Okay, so right now they do have a great opportunity as a data entry analyst. Now the compensation isn't the best for this opportunity, but it is entry level and experience is not going to be required. It's going to be preferred, but not required. Now, they only hire from the states that I have highlighted here. And I have tons of subscribers in Georgia and Texas. Florida, Georgia, and Texas is my main subscriber base. So many of you will get to apply for this opportunity. So if you're looking for a back office opportunity that's not going to have you on the phone, this is one for you because you're going to be operating a computerized data entry system and accurately processing and managing records. This is going to require basic computer knowledge and typing proficiency, and you'll transcribe routine, pre-coded, and identifiable alphanumeric data from source documents and or phone calls into an automated system. And you'll perform data entry and related clerical tasks, including establishing accurate records for direct customers and assisting with testing and feedback sessions on company and provider databases. So it's going to be Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Mountain Time. So make sure that that works for your schedule. And you must be 18 years of age, be able to pass a criminal background check. You must be able to pass a typing and basic computer literacy assessment and have strong organizational time management skills and strong verbal and written communication skills. Now, in terms of their preferences, they'll prefer prior experience in data entry, also basic computer skills and knowledge of Microsoft Office Suite, and experience with EAM and BAN systems, and experience working with nonprofit organizations and some college coursework. So again, those are preferences, those are not requirements. But you must have stable high-speed internet, have a quiet home office, and you will be providing your own computer and USB headset for this opportunity. So next up, we have the company ClearEdge Title, and this is a national title insurance agency and escrow service provider. Been around since 2012, and they offer nationwide real estate closing, title, and escrow solutions for mortgage professionals, lenders, and home buyers. And so right now, ClearEdge is looking for a title examiner, full-time opportunity here, and they're letting you know the experience up front. So they do want experience in title examination, abstracting, or related real estate legal work, and familiarity with public records, legal descriptions, and title insurance practices. Also, knowledge of state and local regulations affecting property ownership, and strong attention to detail and the ability to interpret complex legal documents. So with this one, you're not going to be on the phone. You're going to be preparing a list of legal instruments applying to a specific piece of land and the buildings on it, and you'll examine documentation such as mortgages, liens, judgments, easements, maps, contracts, and agreements to verify factors such as properties, legal descriptions, ownerships, or restrictions. And you're going to read search requests to ascertain types of title evidence required and to obtain descriptions of properties and names of involved parties. And you'll copy and summarize recorded documents such as mortgages, trust deeds, and contracts, and examine individual titles to determine if restrictions such as delinquent taxes will affect titles and limit property use. You're going to also prepare reports describing any title encumbrances encountered during searching activities and outlining actions, and verify accuracy and completeness of land-related documents accepted for registration. You'll be preparing rejection notices when documents are not acceptable, and you'll confer with realtors, lending institution personnel, buyers, sellers, contractors, surveyors, or courthouse personnel to exchange title-related information or to resolve problems. You're going to also examine property records and prepare detailed title reports and collaborate with underwriters and closers to resolve title defects. So with this opportunity, you can work hybrid, remote, or in office. So our next opportunity is coming from Quaint Oak Bank, and this is a community-based Pennsylvania chartered stock savings bank, and they've been around since 1926, and they have checking, savings, money market accounts, CDs, and home equity loans. And so this company right here is currently looking for a loan documentation specialist. So with this opportunity, you're going to be working with credit analysts, commercial relationship managers, attorneys, and SBA 7A team in preparing settlement documentation packages. You'll ensure completeness, accuracy, and legibility of data entry and documentation for new credit facilities, existing loan modifications and satisfactions. You'll be communicating with customers, lending personnel, bank counsel, loan servicing personnel, insurance companies, and title companies, and there will be post-closing responsibilities. So this will include the review and the audit of loan documentation to ensure proper execution of documents, also verification of loan funding, file UCCs, and other compliance-related duties. You will be responsible for processing search requests for the credit analyst, and you're going to engage bank-approved appraisers and environmental firms. And so with this one, they'd like a bachelor's degree in business, finance, or related field is preferred, or equivalent experience. Also, you must be proficient in Laser Pro, so they'd like a minimum of 5 years of experience in that, and an understanding of commercial loan documentation, including commercial real estate, SBA 504 and SBA 7A, constructions, modifications, and satisfactions, and strong understanding of credit analysis. They also want strong computer skills, and I do have the compensation highlighted for you here. So our next opportunity is coming from Stio, which is an outdoor lifestyle and technical apparel brand. And this company right here is looking for a customer experience representative. This is going to be a part-time opportunity. Now they only hire from a few states, so Wyoming, Colorado, and Utah. So that's why I'm including this one last. But with this one right here, it's going to involve communicating daily via phone, email, and chat with customers and coworkers, and actively managing the customer support conversation queue. And you'll be answering customer inquiries in a timely manner and understanding and articulating Stio product information and processes with ease. You will uphold agent performance standards and gladly, and they'd like a high school diploma or equivalent. Also, a college degree is preferred. Intermediate computer and typing skills are required. Proficiency with Google Workspace and Microsoft products is preferred, and previous experience in customer service is preferred, along with outdoor apparel and apparel knowledge is preferred. Attention to detail and excellent communication skills are required. And this one has a start date of September 2026, and I do have the compensation highlighted for you here. They're saying that it's going to be flexible scheduling, less than 20 hours per week, and this is a seasonal role that's available till March of 2027, okay? So they're going to also provide you with equipment, so that's not something that you're going to have to worry about. Okay, everybody, so those are all of the opportunities that I have for you, and don't forget that I do include these on a blog post on my website. That link is in the description bar of every single video. And again, make sure to check out my resume review and revamping services. I would love to assist you, and I still have some spots open for this week, okay? So I will see you guys in my next video bright and early tomorrow, 7:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Good luck to everyone who gets to apply for the jobs.